Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman and members of the committee. My name is Louis Breschi. I'm a physician in practice in eastern Baltimore County. I'm a urologist in a group practice. I'm also a board member of the local Baltimore Guild of the Catholic Medical Association and also an officer of the National Organization of the Catholic Medical Association. I thank you all for the opportunity to address the committee on this bill concerning stem cell research. Frankly, one of the two reasons I was willing to come down and testify was because I've been very disheartened in the public media's presentation of this subject and also of the position of some of the members, especially the ones who are sponsoring this bill, of giving what I see as a very one-sided approach to something that's futuristic. I'm glad to have been here today also to hear that all of you members of the committee are hearing both sides. That's, of course, not something that's projected in the media. However, I think that one of the serious things that I wanted to bring forward to you, and I've submitted some material printed for you to look at, is the fact that indeed there is a lot of success already in the area of adult stem cell research. All of the people that have spoken in behalf of research here ahead of us today, their illnesses are being addressed by adult stem cells. By all means, we need to fund more money for the area of adult stem cells to help those people so that whatever difficulties that exist now with the adult stem cells, as mentioned by the professors from Hopkins, can be clarified and can be improved so that the adult stem cells themselves are improved. I feel that therefore that we need, and you all need to look at some of the material that I had presented to you. And I also presented to you a second list. And this was a list of articles that I have received in my office over more or less the past year dealing with successes in adult stem cell. These are articles in journals that the professors from Hopkins alluded to should be the place where you get these articles. Well, we're getting them, and they're telling us, and especially the ones I gave you had to do with many of the areas of healthcare that I'm concerned with, namely the kidney, the bladder, other areas in the urinary system, which are being treated now by adult stem cells. And not to know that would be a disservice to the public in making this decision about whether to support a bill that is designated only for embryonal research. I strongly suggest that you consider all the benefits, and in fact there have been questions asked by members of the committees directed at that to other people that preceded us and telling us, yes, that's the only thing that's on the market right now. By the way, the other item that I thought before I saw this yesterday, I'm sure many of you have seen the business section of the Sun paper where they interviewed a biotechnology president where he has just received capital venture money to support 5 different studies in adult stem cells. The venture capitals, as you've already heard before, are going to go in this area. Why not go with the winner? Why not go with things that will help all these people that sat here before us get well sooner? That little girl is not going to be helped if you wait for embryonal cell stem research. Neither will the other diabetics. They need help now, and it's closer with adult stem cell than it ever will be with embryonal cell. Thank you very much.